After speaking to a lot of guys in Facebook groups and on YouTube who have the Viofo A129 range of cameras which are front and rear, some people have trouble securing the rear camera correctly and it's constantly falling down. Well, recently my wife's had the issue with her camera in her car. This repair method would actually work for not just the Viofo range of cameras, but what I'm doing today is an Aukey, but it would work for any rear camera with a separate bracket that just needs to be secured. Personally, I prefer not to mount the rear camera on the boot lid. One reason, because every time you open the boot lid, the camera cable hinges with the boot lid, so it eventually will chafe and wear and degrade. However, if you can mount the camera inside the cabin space like I'm about to show you, it's much less conspicuous and gets, I think, a wider angle because it's slightly set back from the boot lid. So the problem is this keeps falling off. So the easy solution is to remove the bracket, get a really small drill, drill through both into your roof lug. These lugs that hold your roof lining up cost buttons from the dealer. So personally, they're easy to replace. So put the drill in your drill bit, in your drill, sorry. Very carefully. And then remove the bracket. You can see the hole. Then make the hole in this slightly bigger. With a small screw. Screw it through. You may need to make the hole bigger still if it doesn't spin freely. Ideally you want it to just spin and spin and spin in the bracket, which it does. Now screw that nice and tight. There you go. And that ain't going nowhere. Permanent solution. And if you do want to replace the roof lug, it costs about £1, £2 from Nissan or whoever your dealership is.